looking for camping essentials that will blow your mind? You're in the right place. Today, we're showcasing 15 amazing camping gear and gadgets you never knew existed. Whether you're into backpacking, hiking, or weekend camping trips, these aren't your typical camping must-haves. These are innovative, cool gadgets and the best camping gear that solve problems you didn't even know you had. From camping gear for beginners to advanced camping gear you need for serious adventures, we've tested everything so you can camp smarter. These game-changing finds will make you wonder how you ever survived without them. If you're ready to discover must-have camping gear that's truly amazing, let's dive into these incredible innovations that will transform your outdoor experience. Relaxation meets adventure with a hanging chair that transforms any space into a cozy retreat. The ADVOKAIR Hammock Chair Swing features a sturdy steel spread bar with anti-slip safety rings supporting up to 500 pounds, far stronger than standard rope loungers. Made from durable, color-fast cotton and polyester fabric, it's soft yet long-lasting, perfect for indoor or outdoor use. Easy to fold, store, and transport, it's ideal for bedrooms, patios, decks, balconies, or porches. Lightweight and portable with a carry bag included, this hammock chair swing is a must-have for lounging, reading, soaking up the sun, or camping relaxation. When venturing into the great outdoors, keeping pesky insects at bay is essential for comfort and safety. Meet the Repel Insect Repellent, a 4-fluid-ounce pump spray formulated with 98.11% DEET for severe conditions, offering up to 10 hours of protection against mosquitoes, ticks, gnats, biting flies, chiggers, and fleas. DEET makes it harder for mosquitoes to detect you, while the spray-on formula works on skin and clothing without damaging nylon, cotton, or wool. Compact and travel-friendly, it's perfect for camping, hiking, backyard adventures, and outdoor travel, ensuring you enjoy nature without bug bites or interruptions. Hauling camping gear doesn't have to be a struggle. Efficient transport makes every adventure smoother. Meet the Mobi Garden XingJi Folding Wagon, a 100-liter capacity collapsible cargo wagon designed for camping, beach trips, picnics, and outdoor events. Its powder-coated steel frame and shock-absorbing PP/EPE base keep contents secure and off damp ground, while 7-inch all-terrain wheels with 360-degree front casters glide effortlessly over grass, sand, or gravel. The one-pole folding system, removable 600D Oxford liner, height-adjustable pull rod, and mesh pockets make setup, cleanup, and organization a breeze. Lightweight yet rugged, it's perfect for weekend getaways and family adventures. A reliable towel is essential for staying dry and comfortable on any outdoor adventure. The Bazaar Anatolia beach towel is crafted from 100% cotton, offering quick-dry, lightweight, and sand-free convenience for beach trips, camping, travel, or yoga. Oversized yet minimalist, it's easy to pack and carry, reducing water and energy use with fast-drying performance. Soft and absorbent, it becomes even better after multiple washes and is free from harmful chemicals. Versatile in use, this Turkish towel doubles as a scarf, shawl, travel blanket, pool towel, or throw, making it a must-have accessory for outdoor adventures and home use. Beating the heat is essential for comfort during any outdoor adventure. The AOPREL Cooling Hoodie Towel is a magnetic lock, moisture-wicking towel designed for camping, hiking, the gym, yoga, and outdoor activities. Its full metal magnetic system snaps securely in 1 second, while silky soft, quick-dry fabric absorbs sweat 50% faster and activates instant cooling on contact. Offering extended UVA/UVB protection for the neck and face, it keeps you shielded from the sun. Versatile with 10 wearing styles, head wrap, sun mask, or bandana. It's durable, chemical-free, and machine washable, making it perfect for hot weather adventures and active lifestyles. Keeping your drinks and food perfectly chilled is essential for any outdoor adventure. The Mobi Garden KuBing Insulated Bag is a 20-liter waterproof tote crafted from 500D PVC tarpaulin with 10mm closed-cell insulation, keeping up to 30 canned drinks or your days catch cold for 8 to 12 hours. Its stain-proof triple-layer construction ensures durability, while YKK zippers, padded grab handles, and adjustable shoulder strap make transport effortless. The roomy interior swallows a full picnic, and the daisy chain utility band holds utensils or a lantern. Ideal for camping, beach trips, tailgates, or hiking, it keeps your food and drinks fresh anywhere. Staying hydrated on the trail is essential for energy and safety during any outdoor adventure. The Mobi Garden RuYin water bottle combines durable, FDA-grade Triton construction with a 360-degree leak-proof silicone seal, keeping liquids secure in your pack. Its wide-mouth design allows easy filling, adding ice, protein powders, or pour-over coffee, and simplifies cleaning. The detachable woven lanyard lets you carry it hands-free or clip it to gear, while the included sticker sheet adds personalization. Lightweight, sturdy, and versatile, this portable water bottle is perfect for camping, hiking, travel, or everyday outdoor use, ensuring hydration anytime, anywhere. When your adventure gear outgrows your car, extra storage becomes a must-have for hassle-free travel. The Sailnovo car rooftop cargo carrier offers 21 cubic feet of waterproof storage made from durable 1000D PVC, protecting luggage from rain, snow, wind, and dust. Its universal compatibility fits vehicles with or without roof racks, including sedans, SUVs, trucks, and hatchbacks. Equipped with 10 adjustable straps, 6-door hooks, an anti-slip mat, and a combination lock, your belongings stay secure on bumpy roads. Lightweight and foldable, it comes with a storage bag, making it perfect for camping trips, road trips, and family adventures. Perfect meal prep outdoors starts with the right tools, making cooking on camping trips effortless and enjoyable. The GSI Outdoor Santoku knife set is a compact 6-piece chef kit designed for camping, RVS, or travel kitchens. It includes a 4-inch paring knife, a 6-inch Santoku knife, a 6-inch serrated bread knife, each with protective sheaths, a folding cutting board, a soap bottle, a dishcloth, and a zippered travel case. Full-tang stainless steel blades and rubberized handles ensure durability and a secure grip. Lightweight and packable at just 25.6 ounces, it's perfect for camp cooking, picnics, and trailhead barbecues, elevating outdoor dining experiences. Cooking over an open fire adds flavor and fun to any outdoor adventure. Introducing the HZGAMER Fire Pit Slot Grill, a heavy-duty, adjustable swivel campfire grill made from high-hardness cast steel, ensuring durability, wear resistance, and reliable performance. With a 13.4-inch circular grill and 360 degrees rotating rods, it's perfect for grilling, pan cooking, or hanging a kettle to boil water or soup. Quick to assemble in under 2 minutes without tools, it supports up to 18 pounds. Ideal for camping, hiking, beach trips, backyard barbecues, or glamping, this portable fire pit grill elevates outdoor cooking experiences. When spending nights under the stars, a reliable shelter is essential for comfort and protection. Introducing the Hewolf Camping Tent, an instant pop-up 3-season hexagonal dome tent designed for family camping, hiking, and travel. Made from waterproof 4,500mm 210T material with sealed seams and a rainfly, it keeps you dry in rain and wind, resisting up to 15 miles per hour gusts. Its spacious interior fits 2 to 3 adults or 4 children, with double-layer mesh for ventilation and mosquito protection. Quick to set up with an automatic pull system, dual doors, lantern hooks, and storage pockets, it's perfect for outdoor adventures and family trips. Securing your tent properly is key to a safe and stress-free camping trip. The HolaKit Tent Stakes Kit is a complete 33-piece set designed to handle every terrain, including soft soil, rocky ground, or sand. It features plastic stakes, heavy-duty steel stakes, and short stakes for tarps or ground sheets, plus a 17-ounce rubber mallet with a steel handle that doubles as a peg puller. All pieces packed neatly into a compact, travel-ready case, keeping gear organized and portable. Perfect for tents, canopies, tarps, awnings, and gazebos, this kit ensures stability and reliability for all camping, RV, and outdoor adventures. Elevate your outdoor grilling experience with tools that make cooking easier and more fun. Meet the Yukon Glory Grill Basket Set, a 5-piece stainless steel barbecue set featuring 3 perforated baskets, a universal removable handle, and a drip tray for vegetables, seafood, and more. Each basket ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked food without flavor mixing. Clip the baskets onto the mess-free tray to serve directly from the grill to the table. Crafted from premium food-grade stainless steel, this set is rust-resistant, durable, and safe. Perfect for camping, backyard barbecues, picnics, or beach cookouts, it simplifies cooking and serving for multiple people. Keep your grill spotless without risking stray bristles ruining your barbecue feast. The house again. Grill Brush features a bristle-free 304 stainless steel mesh head with a food-grade silicone sponge, ensuring safe and effective cleaning on gas, charcoal, and porcelain grills. Its 3-in-1 design combines a grill scraper, brush, and ergonomic wooden handle, reaching corners effortlessly while removing stubborn residue. Detachable heads make replacement easy and eco-friendly, while rotatable cylinders ensure 360 degrees of coverage. Lightweight, durable, and heat-resistant, this brush is perfect for backyard barbecues, camping trips, and outdoor grilling, keeping your cooking surfaces safe and sparkling. Nothing starts a camping morning better than a perfect cup of coffee brewed on the go. Introducing the Vandroop Coffee Maker Set, a collapsible silicone dripper kit designed for travel, camping, and home use, making it portable, space-saving, and easy to pack. Made from LFGB certified food-grade silicone and paired with stainless steel cups, it's durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. Compatible with basket and V60 paper filters, its spiral inner wall and 3-hole bottom design ensure stable extraction and rich flavor. Lightweight and versatile, this coffee dripper set is perfect for outdoor adventures, hiking trips, or travel brewing. And there you have it, 15 amazing camping gear and gadgets you never knew you needed. These camping essentials prove that outdoor innovation keeps getting better. Whether you're just starting with camping gear for beginners or you're a seasoned pro, these must-have camping gear items will change how you experience the outdoors. From backpacking adventures to hiking trips, these camping must-haves deliver real-world performance. Which gadget amazed you the most? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you want more honest reviews of the best camping gear and cool gadgets that actually work, hit that subscribe button. We test everything so you can adventure with confidence. All product links are in the description. Stay prepared, stay amazed, and I'll see you in the next one.